Shenzhen HOPE R&D Technology Company Limited was established in 2008. It is a high-tech enterprise specializing in the development, production and sales of commercial vehicle vision equipment. We have comprehensive vehicle vision solutions covering vehicle cameras, monitors, MDVR, MNVR, driving recorders, wireless DVR systems, etc. Besides, we are making great efforts to develop new products to meet different requirements. After years of innovative development, HOPE has accumulated profound technical experience and occupied leading market share in the in-vehicle monitoring fields, such as school bus, special operation vehicle camera system, blind spot pedestrian, safety cockpit monitoring system, anti-oil stealing, 360 intelligent surround view, explosion-proof cam, vehicle radar, electronic rear-view mirror, agricultural equipment system, streaming media mirror, etc. Since the establishment of the company, we have been based on honest cooperation and quality service. Our sales network has spread all over the country and exported to developed countries such as Europe, America, and new developing countries. With consistent high-quality control standards, our products have passed ISO 9001, IATF 16949, CQC, CE mark, RoHS and FCC certifications, underscoring our commitment to quality and industry standards. We accept all kinds of orders including OEM, ODM, providing high-quality products and competitive prices. Warmly welcome domestic and foreign customers to cooperate with us for mutual success. By working together with customers and partners, we will help facilitate the progress of in-vehicle monitoring industry and build up intelligent industry in order to provide better and smarter in-vehicle monitoring products and solutions for driving safety.